Hello and welcome back to my channel. I changed my name from Vegan Bree to Bree's Hauls and Reviews because I'm going to be doing some reviews and some hauls. So still going to be doing grocery hauls, but not so much like just makeup. So instead of buying vegan, cruelty free. But let's get into Ipsy spoilers because I'm still going to be getting Ipsy and Boxycharm. I haven't redone my box for Boxycharm, so I've been skipping it. But let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag spoilers. First, we're going to start out with the Ipsy website. They have still not updated this. It's saying the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, even though it says the Ciate London Extraordinary BB Cream. Picture don't match the font. So, I don't know if it's the same. It says this is sustainably sourced, hand-harvested Amazonian clay, which that's the Tarte. So, they haven't even changed the description. So. Then we have the Purely's Beauty Halo Glow BB Cream Highlighter. I don't like these squeezy things. I like the Halo Glow Liquid Filter from e.l.f. It's a wand applicator. I don't like squeezing stuff out. Sorry. Same thing goes with blush and bronzer. Either be a stick or in a compact or a wand. Then we have the Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. I feel like we got this last month. I swear they're repeating products. But then the picture is of the Ciate BB Cream. So, I don't know. And then we have the Ace Beauté Effortless Radiant Loose Setting Powder. That looks pretty dark. So, I don't know if they're going to be doing different shades. Hopefully. And then the Earth Harbor Naturals Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. We just got an Earth Harbor product last month. And there's a picture of the Pacifica Mascara. Then this Shades by Shan Precision Blend. I swear we got that last month. This brush. I swear we got that last month. And then we've gotten a lot of products from them. We have the Livido Aromatic Body Lotion Patchouli and Vanilla. I swear we got that last month as well. And the picture is of the Earth Harbor Mask. Then the Luna Magic Highlighter. This looks beyond dark. I would use that as a blush topper or I'm wearing the Nomad blush right now. I use that all the time as a glowy blush. If a highlighter is too dark, I use it as a glowy blush, but this can be way too dark, so hopefully it has more shades as well. And then we have the Bodyography Eye Pencil, which is probably going to be atrocious, and Bali Bronze, probably going to be something that hurts your eye. And this picture is with the body lotion. Lastly, the Kapari Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream, because we have to have an eye cream. And then the Benefits Cosmetics, the Professional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray, not cruelty free, so don't care. And there is the Bodyography Eye Pencil. And we're not even doing correct numbers. Then it says the Kate Berkey Clay Mask, but then it has a picture of the Professional Setting Spray. And then there's a picture of the Kate Berkey Clay Mask. And then the numbers are just all off. Beauty Crop Wee Sherry Primer. Yeah, that was interesting. Okay. And then for Boxycharm, this is also on the Ipsy website. We have the Biro Celery AHA and LHA Resurfacing Serum. Looks bougie, but whatever. Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. I like cleansers. I do like Ole Henriksen. And then this, no. Iconic London. We've talked about Londons all the time. Booming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palette. This looks not good. I see some repeat shades. I don't like their palettes. I don't like the formula. Wonder Beauty Riviera Blush and Bronzer Palette. One of the shades is ridiculously light. I don't see how this is going to work for different skin tones. And then we have the Aloe Yoga Skincare Luminizing Face Moisturizer. I'm not going to complain about getting a moisturizer. And then the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 Automatic Matte Lip Pencil. Whatever. Tula Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I think that's for the body. So, that sounds nice. And then there's a picture of the Kate Berkey Retin C Treatment Complex, but there's not a number. Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I'm tired of these gel creams. And I'm tired of eye creams. I'm tired of the eye stuff. Tarte Man-Eater Waterproof Mascara. I was just watching somebody actually say how waterproof is not very good. It has some ingredient carbon black or something that's not very good, but I don't wear waterproof mascara as well as Tarte mascaras. I like their tubing mascara. LYS Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask with Blueberry and Charcoal. I do like LYS so far. I only have a bronzer and a cream blush, and I do really like both those products. So, but I'm not a big mask person. It's just not my thing. Origins, we don't care about Origins because they're not cruelty free, but this is a treatment lotion, blah, blah, blah. Then there's the Lunar Beauty Lip Pencil Duo, which I swear this came in last month. I did not get it. I wanted to get it, but I didn't. But I don't understand what's with the repeats. So let's go on Instagram and find some more spoilers. So we have, let's see, October Glam Bag Power Picks. The We Are Neen, it's Neen, Pretty Extra Mascara. I don't know what to see about that. Never heard of the brand. Then we have the Renair Beldy finishing powder. This look, I don't know why it gives me KVD vibes, like packaging, like that locket powder. I don't know. Never heard of the brand. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Mascara, which I think just came out, but I don't think it's vegan, so I'm not gonna be trying that. Huda Beauty. I think this is for Boxycharm, so I don't, but it could be both as a choice option. Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Ultra Comfort Transfer Proof Lipstick. I don't think it's vegan, so I can't try that. Glow Recipe AHA Night Treatment. See, that I could get on board with that, but not the eye cream. Enough with the eye creams, please. We don't even get one every single month. REM Plumping Lip Gloss. I don't like this shimmer. Like, lip gloss, like, whatever. Let's see. We see anything else? Oh, Herbivore Botanicals. We see a lot of Herbivore, but I do like their products. Lapis Oil Balancing Facial Oil. Oil. Let's see. And then, is that it? That might possibly be it. If not, I'll post pictures right now of other spoilers that I found. Let me know what you're going to choose. Do you still like getting Boxycharm and Ipsy, or are you like over it? I want to see different brands. I say this every single month now, but I'm like, come on. Now, there is some interesting products in the shop right now. So, we shall see. Like, some Sigma, which you've seen Sigma before, but like, I do like seeing like Viseart in there, which I never tried Viseart because they bougie. But the stuff is super, super on sale. I like seeing like About Face in there, like different brands like that. But I'm like, I want more. Not this like just random crap, okay? Lunar Beauty's cool. And like, you know, a lot of these brands are cool, but I'm like, other products. Please, no more eye creams. So anyway, enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.